Hey, what's up? What is up? What is up with you guys? Welcome to this channel. This is Make Money Africa, where we teach you how to earn money, not just in Africa, but anywhere in the world for free. How to earn money for free, how to earn money online with your laptop and with your phone. And if you love the video, if you love the value you're getting from this video, I just want you to help me by smashing that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you get notified on all the amazing things that I am going to be bringing your way in the next months, years, and all the time to come. So today we're going to look at how we can literally earn money, whether you are in college, whether you completed high school, how you're going to exchange your knowledge for money, right? You may have completed college, you may have a college degree, you might have a master's degree, whether you are employed or unemployed, whether you're running a business, whatever skill set you have, you can literally exchange that for money. Now, I know that a lot of people over in various parts of the world, I mean, depending on where you are in Africa, you might be struggling. You might have graduated from college and you do not have a job. You're trying to find your way around, or you have a job but you want to find a way of making some extra income. Well, today I'm going to go into that. So just make sure you're going to stick around and learn from how you can do this. So I'm going to just hop right in and show you this amazing website where you can literally get paid thousands of dollars just to exchange your knowledge. So we're coming right here, and the website is steadypool.com. All right, so we come over to steadypool.com. Now, what is steadypool.com? Steadypool.com is going to give you access to thousands and thousands of people looking for tutoring, right? Looking for tutoring. They're going to need answers to questions. These are students and all kinds of people seeking knowledge. So, and they're going to pay you in dollars, right? It says over here, SteadyPool only works with the highest quality tutors. Our tutors are vetted for subject expertise and hold degrees such as bachelor's, master's, and PhDs. So, right, so this is going to give you the opportunity to be able to sign up as a tutor, and you're going to be paid real money, whether you can program, whether it's writing, you can do whatever you can do. You can see this is not limited. This it goes across business, accounting, sports management, sales, tourism, entrepreneurship. So this goes across almost every subject you can think of, right? So this is how you're going to get paid real money. So all you've got to do is to apply as a tutor, right? And 24/7, you're going to be paid real money, real money. Okay. So all you got to do is come here and click sign up, right? You just come here, click sign up. I'm gonna move this right here. You can create an account easily. Just type in your email, right? Just type in your email or over here, right? Just type in your email over here. You create a username, right? I'm gonna just create a username and create a password, right? Just create a password over here. It's very easy to do. Okay, then you hit that button, right? Create an account. Okay, it says this is already in use. I'm gonna try to use a different one. Right here. Okay. It's very simple to do. So it's loading, right? It's loading. So this is very easy. You can just come here and just sign up. So it's going to send you a verification email. So you just come over to your email, right? You just come over to your email and come over to your email, and then you hit the verify button. So you open up the email right here, and then you verify your email. So once you verify your email, it's going to bring you back over to this, you're gonna read through the terms and conditions, scroll through quickly. Um, just all the it has to do with content and all these kind of other terms. You just hit the agree, and voila, you're in. So yeah, this is your. So this is so you can just enter your school. So whatever school you're in. So this the default account is for students, right? The default account, but you can apply after you've applied. You've created an account. You can apply as a tutor. So let's say our school is um, University of Ghana, right? University of Ghana. So you just come choose an avatar that represents your gender. In this case, I'm a black, handsome man. So I'm just gonna select that, and then you're right in. So right, so it's as simple as that. You can ask, connect with a tutor. You can all of that. You can just click continue here, right? These are all featured documents you can have access to, but we are not interested in becoming like students. We are interested in becoming a tutor. So you're gonna just come over here and then hit the become tutor, right? You're gonna hit over here become tutor. Then what you're gonna do is to click apply now. So you click apply now over here. Click apply now over here, and then you're right in. So over here you're gonna see amazing testimonials. So can play that quickly, right?
I was a part-time tutor for 3 years and just finished my first year as a full-time tutor.
It's awesome. My school schedule can be so busy, so I love the flexibility and being my own boss.
The platform is easy to understand and use, and I don't have to chase
that I'm interested in and submit a quote.
There are so many freedom and the ability to really pursue the career that I love.
So these are people
When
who
I
have
first
earned
started, tutoring was a
money.
fun second job I liked to do.
Degree before anything else.
And that was just during times that suited me. And I made $2,000.
So this is
And that was
someone
just during
making
times that
$2,000, right? These are people earning thousands of dollars, right? So you just come here, you can see clearly over here. This supports every country, every payment method. It can be bank deposits, M-Pesa, PayPal, check, Payoneer, TransferWise. These are all payment platforms that support every country in the world. So you're just gonna come here and click start, right? Start application, right? So this is how you apply to become a tutor. So it's going to request for you all this information, know your academic background, your field of study, and all of these things. So you're just going to fill this form. Basically, what you're going to be doing, you upload your ID and all of that. And what it's going to do for you is it's going to ask you to write some essays, right? You're going to test your area that you've chosen, that you claim you have expertise in, whether it's business, whatever it is. It's going to ask you to write a few words, 200 words minimum, and on a particular topic, just to show your expertise. So this is their quality you know their quality test. Okay, this is how they ensure that the tutors they are going to be given is quality, the product is very very valuable. So it's really really simple. You're just going to come here. So this is Study Pool. So guys, it's very very simple. You just have to go on there, and once you apply, they're going to go through and they're going to approve you. Once they approve you, you can then become a tutor and earn thousands of dollars. You're just gonna come, sell documents. You're gonna sell, up to $10 every time a student views your documents. You're gonna upload documents, answering so many questions and all of that. And that is how you're gonna be earning thousands and thousands of dollars, right? So guys, thank you for hopping on this video. If you didn't know about this method and this has really opened your eyes, I want you to hit the like button and subscribe. I want you to take a step and subscribe, because we're going to be releasing more and more ways of making money online through this platform. So thank you guys, and do have a wonderful day.